Live from Ultimate Sports Cards in Las Vegas, doing a live box break, '09 Rookies and Stars Football. Brand new stuff, and it's even got the warning, ages 9 and up. I guess the jersey pieces are not considered choking hazards. Alright. Still got the Tootsie Roll wrappers like Prestige had.
Interesting.
Interesting? How about annoying? Base cards, insert number to 500.
I like the design.
Dude, that looks like somebody's nightmare. I'm like gonna have a seizure. Stare at it. Flacco. Alright, we're gonna pick up the pace so I don't have to make this a long video. A bunch of base cards. Alright, I got something coming up here. Insert Studio Rookies number 2 500 of Ramses Barden. And more base cards. Alright, we got our first hit coming up here. Ooh!
Mike Thomas patch
Thomas. 3-color patch auto. That's pretty nice.
5 of 10.
Hell yeah. Can't really say he's a big name necessarily, but it's a nice card. And another autograph.
Cornelius Ingram.
I was hoping it was Macklin. It was upside down. Number to 125. It's kind of tough to see the autograph, but it's right there. Alright, so far 2 autos, one of them's a patch auto. Alright, Eli Manning patch.
2-color patch.
Mr. I'm the highest paid player now, number to 50. That ain't bad. Another jersey.
Larry Johnson.
Larry Johnson, just a basic jersey, numbered 76 at $2.99. So you're gonna tell me all these packs? That's all I'm gonna get. I got like Antonio Gates, insert.
Maybe it'll be a hot box.
You never know.
Maybe a lot of boring packs.
No kidding. Lee Evans.
Number to 99.
99. Okay.
Kevin BTO.
Wendell White, probably number to 99 again.
249.
249. They do a lot of different parallels. Wes Welker, really shiny.
Number to 99.
Alright.
I don't know the difference, but
That one's super shiny. Tony G.
Where's my TO card? You better put him in this bottle.
Welker.
Rookie.
God, these names. Ryan
Moden.
Okay, there it is. Now the design doesn't make it easy to identify who some of these not so familiar guys are. Wow. It's too many packs. Too many packs with just base cards. The hits aren't bad. Shiny card, Johnny Knox. Shiny. Rookie, number to 749.
249.
249?
Yeah.
Base, spacers, base. Getting down to the last few packs. If you're still watching this, I'm surprised. Darius Passmore, number to 999. I think all the good stuff's already been pulled. 2 to go.
Gerard Powers.
Austin Powers' distant cousin, maybe? I mean, okay. Jerry.
Korea, Jerry?
It's Jerry.
Alright, well, there it is. The hits, I gotta say, are very nice. Otherwise, a lot of packs of not much going on there. But thanks again for watching from Ultimate Sports Cards.